Hi guys, this is an unboxing and a hands-on video for the Samsung Galaxy Grand. So we have some basic description. Dual core, 2100 mAh battery, 8 megapixel camera, and this is the dual SIM version, guys. It's the color and some description what's inside the box. So let's quickly open it up. Here's the phone. We have this flip case, extra earphone buds, (2100 mAh) battery, a USB cable, charger, and the earphone, quick start guide, warranty card, and some other outlets. So let's go ahead and see whether we have some juice left or not. So guys, as it's a dual SIM version, one SIM goes in over here and one over here, and we have the micro SD card slot here. So let's insert the battery and put on this flip cover and see whether we have some power left or not. So guys, we have this 5-inch capacitive touchscreen. This phone is powered by a 1.2 GHz dual-core processor with 8 GB of internal memory and 1 GB of RAM. And the external memory card can be expanded up to 64 GB. So guys, we have this 5-inch capacitive touchscreen with a screen resolution of 480 by 800. So we have this front-facing camera here, the sensors, the earpiece, the Duos branding, the capacitive buttons, the home button, power button, and volume rockers, the USB port, and the headphone jack. The front-facing camera is a 2 megapixel camera. You have the 8 megapixel camera at the back, which is capable of shooting full HD videos, that is 1080p. We have this LED flash, speakers, and the Samsung branding. So let's go ahead and see the Android version. So guys, this is the Android 4.1.2, that's the Jelly Bean. So out of the box we have the Jelly Bean for the Samsung Galaxy Grand. So that's all guys, I'll be coming up with an in-depth review for this Samsung Galaxy Grand. So stay subscribed, bye bye now, and have a great day.